Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. This is a VIP video at this stage, just about the crow's foot spanner. So, just quickly, what's a crow's foot? We've got a couple others here actually that were returned. This one's good actually because it's got my little modification on it, which I'll do if I've got time. And if I haven't, you can go ahead and do it, okay? So this is your standard KC Tools crow's foot, okay? Normally this is what it looks like. And with the modification I like, under the 17mm, right, you take off about 1mm if you can. I just noticed when I use it, they do, you can get it done, but it's going to be easier if you've got a bit more room there. So, you know, comparing the pair, there's not much in it. You're not taking a lot off, but it's literally, it feels like about 1/2mm actually, but it's more because it's rounded over there, if you know what I mean, where this is flatter now because we put it over the grinder. But anyway, we've got 3 crow's foots here in stock. 1, 2, and a brand new one someone sent back to us. 3 is all we had in stock. Now, you've probably seen some videos recently, and I've mentioned a bit about the crow's foot, so we're all good now, as you can see. Well, we're sort of all good. We've just got 50. We've got another 100 on order, so that's what I mean. That's how many crow's foots we're going through, and people are meant to be sending them back. We've got hundreds out there, okay? It was meant to be a lend. It's not a big deal. It's not about the money. It's more the inconvenience because these tool shops, they only keep 1 or 2 or none on the shelf. They're not a common. A lot of tool shops aren't going to have them. They're not on the shelf, and we're pumping injector kits out like sometimes 10 a day. So it's like we need a lot of crow's foot. So that's why we've got a lot more on order. But I just thought I'd put it out there in case you're in the VIP group and you're in because you've done your front wheel bearings or your BFE and you haven't done your injectors yet. This is not something we charge for in the injector kit. It's small money compared to the rest of the components. We've got a couple of optional freebies in there. I always say if you can, get that plate off K-On. But the things we'd like back if we do lend them to you are the crow's foot, the dowel, you know, and normally obviously when it's new it sort of looks like that, but you know, it doesn't matter if all the used ones come back with a tech screw in the end, cut down to a different length. Obviously you can see they're dirty because they're being used, and this is good news because there's lots of people sending those dowels back. Right, so stuff like that anyway. Just trying to show you. Send back the dowel and the red caps off the injectors. If we've sent you red caps to borrow, please send them back, plus the red caps off your new injectors. You don't need the caps. Your old injectors are rubbish. Send them back for your free contamination check. To do with the crow's foot, we've got plenty at the moment, but the kit purchase, the way it works is, it always works like this. That is, we'll send you a crow's foot for a lend if we've got one available at the time of purchase. And what that means is we could have heaps like this. You'll get one. Please send it back. We could run out. But even if we haven't got one at the time, I say at the time of packing the kit, because if we get one back, like, you know, this one or this one or this one, at the moment we've got 3. So we've been out of them. And in and out and in and out, but we haven't received any stock like this for months, okay, probably due to COVID and that sort of thing, delays as well, and flights and all that, and they're always a bit slow anyway. But look, that's the quantities. They're just not used to it, guys. So just letting you know, if you want to go ahead and purchase one of these now, so that when you buy your injector kit, you can say, yeah, no, I don't need one, I've got one, it's all good. Or you might even buy the kit, the kin chrome. You can get a rack of, like, I'm not saying you should do that because you might never use them again. About $100 for a Sid Chrome set or a kin chrome set. I think I like the kin chrome one the best, but up to you. This is just, you know, easily available, readily available, one piece KC tool. I like KC tools overall. It's pretty slim. It's 3/8 drive. So I didn't mind that one. I did actually spend time and research a lot of different crow's foots before I chose that one. That's the one we supply with the kit. Nothing else. If you want to get one, get one. That guarantees you got one for the job. When I text you about the kit, when you want to make your purchase, just say, hey, I've already got a crow's foot, I don't need that. I don't need the 7mm plate from K-On, I've got one. So I've got a few here, but obviously it's their product. I prefer you just do the purchase direct with them if you can. But if you're a guy that's busy and you need one, then obviously we can include it. But like I said, really important if you can. Your free contamination check, send the crow's foot, send the dowel, send the red caps, and any really good bubble wrap. And I should grab this one sec. Just had one come back from Brendan, right? Brendan, look at this. It's got all the bubble wrap and everything in there as well. So we're going to strip that down. It's probably got another crow's foot. Keep sending them just because we've got some, because they need to keep coming back. It needs to be a regular flow. Once we get the flow right, hopefully we shouldn't need too many, if you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, if you got something out of that, even if it ends up on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe, turn the bell on. I hope you got something out of that. I'm out of here. Bada bing, bada boom.